Hey guys, I thought I would film a extreme clean with me. Now that I look around, it doesn't look too bad. Why is this necessary every single time? Dante. Now that oh god. I thought I would film an extreme clean with me today. Now that I look around the house, it doesn't look too bad. Now the phone is going off. What is happening? Who is texting? Charlie! Charlie texted me! My bestie! What did Charlie text me? Oh no! Oh my gosh, that does look like him. She just texted me a picture of this guy they're searching for him, and he kind of looks like one of the dads we had in the oh my gosh, she's so right. She was like, I thought that bearded man, Dante. She texted me, I thought that bearded man was this child's dad. I won't say his name. This child's dad, and yeah, no joke, it really does look like him. The wizard! We called him the wizard because he was just like such a cool guy, and he would be like, see you later. I talked about him one time in one of my videos. I think I talked about him in my laundry chat video. I can't remember the fake name I gave him, but I gave him a fake name and he was the one that was always like, yeah. Anyway. Alright guys, so today I thought I would film an extreme clean with me. And now that I look around the house, it's not too bad, but it's pretty bad. The carpets have not been vacuumed in, oh man, I can't remember, but I also have pregnancy brain. I got a pile of laundry. My sheets, I know the sheets have not been changed in like 2 weeks, so they're like way overdue. This is like legit first trimester pregnancy feeling with a UTI. We're all adults here, so I'm just gonna say it. I have a urinary tract infection. And it's so much fun. I've had them before. I'm really prone to them. And then when they told me at my OB, I was like, yep, yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. So, anyway, we're gonna get to cleaning. I'll probably start in the kitchen because that's the worst. So we'll get to cleaning. We have our little, uh-oh, can you see it? We have our little bump. There's no hiding it now. I'm pregnant. So yeah, let's get to work.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't
Alright guys, this video had to be cut short because I started to not feel good and I wasn't really feeling great this whole day, but my little baby told me I did too much, and it was a little scary, but it wasn't too bad. I think it was just like a panic moment that I had. So yeah, I just had to cut this video short. I didn't change the sheets or vacuum the house myself, but my husband did. He ended up changing the sheets that night, and then he ended up vacuuming the rest of the house for me later. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to start splitting up my cleaning days because I just don't want to overdo it and be scared like that again. So I think I'll just have to split cleaning days up, and I think my husband might have to take over vacuuming the house and all that kind of stuff. So when I'm watching this video back and editing it, I noticed I was picking up the vacuum a lot. I picked up that really heavy laundry basket, so I think little baby in there was just telling me that that's a no-go. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Subscribe, thumbs up, comment, and as always, live life in full bloom, and I will see you guys later. Bye.